Welcome back. In the last few videos, we built overlays, lower thirds, counters, and toasts, the everyday essentials. Today, we're going bigger. We're building 5 animations across 3 completely different styles. Data visualization with animated charts, retro arcade graphics with Pac-Man and scoreboards, and cinematic storytelling with movie trailer-style title reveals and character cards. Let's get into it. Animation 1. Animated charts. First, animated charts. 1 component, 3 chart types: bar chart, pie chart, and line graph. You pass in a data array, choose a chart type, and it animates automatically. The bar chart uses a pattern you already know, staggered springs. But instead of subtracting frames manually, we use the spring's built-in delay parameter. Each bar waits its turn, then grows from 0 to its full height. Cleaner code, same effect. Now the pie chart introduces something new: SVG stroke animation. Instead of animating width or height, we animate how much of a circle stroke is visible using stroke dash array and stroke dash offset. As the offset moves from full to 0, the segment draws itself. It's the same logic as a progress bar, just wrapped around a circle. Then the line graph uses that same stroke dash offset trick, but on a polyline. The line draws itself from left to right. Each data point pops in with a scale spring as the line reaches it. The area beneath fades in with the same timing. 3 completely different visuals. 1 reusable system. Animation 2. Pac-Man eating text. Now let's shift styles. Pac-Man eating your title. He enters from the left, chomps across the screen, eats a row of dots, and your text appears behind him. Pac-Man is pure SVG, just a circle with a wedge cut out. The mouth animation uses math.sin. Sine gives you a smooth oscillation. Map that to a small angle and a wide angle, and you get the chomp. Here's the clever part. The text reveal isn't based on frames, it's based on position. Each letter becomes visible when Pac-Man's X position passes that letter's position. That means if you change the text length or Pac-Man's speed, the timing adjusts automatically. Position-based triggering instead of frame-based. That's a powerful pattern. Add a ghost following slightly behind, give it a subtle wobble and shifting eyes using sine waves, and suddenly it feels alive. Animation 3. Retro arcade scoreboard. Let's stay in retro mode. The arcade scoreboard, high scores, pixel font, CRT scan lines, classic blink. The blinking effect is incredibly simple. No springs, no interpolation. Just toggle visibility every few frames. That's it. Sometimes the simplest trick reads the strongest. The CRT scan lines are pure CSS, a repeating linear gradient layered over everything. Add a slight opacity flicker with math.sin, and the whole screen feels like an old monitor. Each score counts up from 0 using the same interpolate and floor pattern we used in the day counter. When everything loads, the number 1 score blinks in highlight color. Retro aesthetic. Real data. Animation 4. Cinematic storytelling. Now we shift completely. Cinematic storytelling. This is a story hook, the opening sequence of a documentary or short film. It's built in 3 phases. Phase 1. Tension. A single thin line draws itself across a black screen. Something is coming. Phase 2. Impact. A flash. Then the title slams in from a massive scale down to normal size. The spring overshoot makes it feel physical, like it hit the screen. A lens flare sweeps across at the same moment. Phase 3. Settle. The subtitle fades in. An accent underline draws. The title breathes with a subtle opacity pulse. Tension, impact, breathe. Same structure, but you can swap the entrance style. Slam for action, fade up for drama, typewriter for mystery. 1 component, 3 moods. Character card. Now we introduce the character card. After the hook grabs attention, you introduce the subject. The portrait slowly zooms using a subtle Ken Burns effect. About an 8% scale increase across the entire duration. You barely notice it consciously, but it keeps the image alive. Static images feel dead. Movement keeps tension. Then we use color grading with blend modes. A warm overlay suggests a hero. A cold blue overlay suggests an outsider. A red tone suggests danger. Same layout, different emotional message. Color tells the audience how to feel before they read a single word. Add left, right, or center layouts, and you've got a full cinematic intro sequence. That's 5 more animations. Animated charts, Pac-Man text reveal, retro scoreboard, story hook, character cards. Today we covered SVG stroke animation for charts, position-based triggering for text reveals, CRT effects using CSS gradients, 3-phase cinematic structure, and mood-driven color grading with blend modes. Next up, we package everything we've built across this series into a Claude Code skill, so you can generate any of these animations with a single command, customized to your brand. That's where it all comes together. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.